Hey, my name is Charlotte. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about LG Electronics Sears Kenmore Clothes Washer Washing Machine Tub Drum Baffle Part #4433ER1005A. The LG Electronics Sears Kenmore Clothes Washer Washing Machine TUB Drum Baffle Part #4433ER1005A is a replacement part for LG washers. It is a plastic baffle that fits inside the washing machine tub and helps to evenly distribute the clothes during the wash cycle. The baffle also helps to reduce noise and vibration during the spin cycle. The baffle is made of durable plastic and is designed to last for many years. It is easy to install and comes with all necessary hardware. This part is an OEM, original equipment manufacturer, part, meaning it was made. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is used to replace a damaged or worn out tub drum baffle in a LG Electronics Sears Kenmore Clothes Washer washing machine. It can help to fix issues such as excessive noise, vibration, and leaking. Here is how you install this part. 1. Unplug the washer from the wall outlet. 2. Remove the top panel of the washer by unscrewing the screws on either side of the top panel. 3. Locate and remove the screws that hold the tub baffle in place. 4. Carefully remove the old tub baffle and discard it. 5. Place the new tub baffle into position and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. 6. Replace the top panel of the washer and secure it with screws on either side of the top panel. 7. Plug in your washer and test to make sure it is working properly before using it again. You can buy this part from www.partsips.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsips.com.
Visit www.partsips.com to order residential appliance parts.